Jai Jinendra. I'm Dr. Manju Jain from Bhaktambar Healing and Research Foundation. And thank you, Jaina, for inviting me as a speaker on Bhaktambar. Bhaktambar is 48 magical tools for manifestation, and it is a passion for me. I've been working on it since more than a decade, and I've got amazing results. There are like 48 shlokas on health, wealth, education, and almost 50% of shlokas have been tried and tested. Research work has been done. 26 PhDs have been done under my guidance on various shlokas because Dr. Meher Moose, the Vice Chancellor of Zoroastrian College affiliated with the United Nations, wanted me to work on all 48 shlokas. She said there should be PhD on each shloka so that in future everyone knows which shloka is for what purpose, what is the significance, what is the methodology, and what are the results. So recently Jaya Rakheja ji from Supreme Court, a lawyer from Supreme Court, she started working on 33 number shloka, which says it is very good for controlling fever. So she worked on 85 case studies of corona, COVID, and who had slight temperature and their oxygen level had gone to 75. And she started working with 33 number shloka. And Mandar Sundar Nameru Suparijata Santanakadi Kusmotkar Krishti Ruddha Gandod Bindu Shubh Mand Marut Prapata Divya Divaha Patti Tevach Samtatirva. And the moment she chanted this shloka with them, this says that there would be falling of flowers from the cosmos whenever anybody would be engrossed in divine. So same way she was chanting these mantras with COVID patients, and their fever came down from 102 to 98, and their oxygen level rose from 75 to 96, and she was very happy seeing patients recover from COVID without taking any antibiotics or Remison. And Suraj Bardia, who is president of Tera Pantha National, she has done PhD on 24 number shloka, which says it is a cure for migraine. And she started working, she worked on nearly 100 case studies, and she has found that this is very good. This shloka is like a stress buster. The moment you chant it and you are like stress free in this world where everyone is full of stress, whether they are rich, poor, or they are working with so much of work pressure, everyone is full of stress. So the moment you chant this 24 number shloka, peace, tranquility, serenity always comes down. Whenever you chant any shloka, especially when you chant the shloka of health, which is a wellness tool, which is a preventive medicine touching sixth element spirituality. In US they say we do not want any cure, we just want something which does not make us ill. We just want some wellness tool. We want some preventive medicine. My sister-in-law, who's working with public health department in US, she is from Harvard. She says they don't want any treatment. They just want something which is a preventive medicine so that they do not fall ill. And your Bhaktambar comes in sixth element, which means spirituality. Like first there is physical element, then mental element, then social element, and so many things. So this Bhaktambar comes in spiritual element. And when I went to Dublin Psycho-Oncology World Congress, My presentation was on 400 breast cancer patients and on working on them as preventive medicine. We had used a fear of recurrence scale, and we could measure that those who were chanting Bhaktambar, those who were chanting Bhaktambar, they did not